What it do, broski? Your main man, DaveyMcFlyy with two wise man checking in from the comfort of the kitchen. We cooking up in the kitchen today, fam, cause it's absolutely too cold to be out there trying to lace these boys up. You know what I mean? Sometimes the lace game can take a little while, and I've been fucked around and turned to a popsicle trying to lace these bad boys up out there today. It's 25 degrees, brother. I'm not even playing. Like, I'm gonna drop a screenshot. It is 25 degrees outside. If y'all know your science, that's below freezing temperature. We're not gonna freeze today. But what I will do is lace these boys up in the kitchen real quick, and then we can shoot outside for the on foot. You know what I mean? Cause I still wanna get outside and let y'all get that look and see how they will look in actual daylight. So, with that being said, let's hop straight into the box, broski. You know what I mean? We're working with the green Gatorade Air Jordan 6. You dig? Let me back up a little bit, back that thing up just a little bit for y'all. Yeah, but that's how they gonna come, right? Fresh out the box. You know what I mean? Beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. With the exception of a minor defect that if you can't spot right now, that's good. But if you want to know what defect I'm talking about, you know what I mean, hit the subscribe button, go to my channel, hit my videos, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But if you can't spot the defect right now, yes. Word, you know what I mean? First off, what we gonna do? Get rid of our guts, right? We're gonna get rid of the guts and everything we don't need. Matter of fact, right now, we don't even need the lace lock, bro. So, I'ma snatch that off. Get my laces from up out of there, like so. Sit my lace lock to the side so I don't lose them. You know what I mean? And what I like to do is bring it down. 1, 2, 3 lace holes from the top. And we're gonna loosen it up right here so I can get my foot in. It really doesn't matter if you have your foot in the shoe or not while you lacing it, tying it, whatever you prefer to call it. Whatever you wanna do to your shoe, bro. You spent your money. It don't matter what you do to these shoes, bro. I don't care personally. Maybe you seeing these cats walking by and you looking down wondering why your shoes don't look as cool as they do, and y'all got on the same damn shoes. You know what I mean? Let me help you out. That's what this video for. You came to the right place. But yeah, we got it to 2 holes down right there where I like it. Loosen up a little bit to get my foot in. Time to get rid of the old pirate black Yeezys. You know what I mean? These real heat right here, these old pirate blacks. Throw them to the back like so. Ugh. Get the box out the way too. Get my foot in. And the only reason why I like to lace my shoes with my foot in the shoe already, just so I can have a better idea of how it's gonna look. A lot of people take the laces completely out the shoe. That's unnecessary to me. You know what I mean? A little time consuming as well. Unless you want to put your lace lock at the bottom, or which I've done that too. I've done that in the past. I've set my lace locks low on my 6s, or either have it right there above the neoprene patch. But with this pair of these Gatorades, I'm gonna do something completely different. Shout out to my homie from NC, and he did something with the lace lock that I liked a lot. So, you know what I mean, broski, I ain't jocking your swag. Shout out to you, paying homage. I'm gonna show the mob how to get busy on that junk though, cause I like it, and I feel like with these green Gatorades, it may look a little bit doper to rock it that way. So boom, boom. See, I got them boys loosened up real nice, how I like it. And I got a little string left, right? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take them up here right back towards the collar, just one up from the collar. Got a little hang time, but not much. Boom, again on the other side. Basically just a loose lace job, right? And I pull it down a little bit to let my jump man show. Then we're gonna take our lace lock and hang it off the side. Like I said, I seen my dog Mr. Entertainment do it, and I thought that looked so hard. Because it actually looked just like a little Gatorade bottle hanging off the side of a shoe, like a hang tag almost, but it gave it a little character and a little pop. And now that I think about it, the contrast would be better with this green Gatorade bottle sitting on the, you know what I mean, orange and the white. But I'm still gonna rock out this way. Cause that's still fire as hell to me, you know what I mean? Hey. So pretty much all I'm gonna do, time lapse this, put it in fast forward mode, do the other shoe the exact same way, and we're gonna hop into that on foot for y'all, broski. I will get outside, you know what I mean? Fight Jack Frost for a split second, just to get that on foot off in that natural daylight. So hell yeah, bro, let's get into it. Mob. Look, I know a lot of people would dare not to put these white laces in these green Gatorade 6s. If this video get, say, let's just say 100. This video get 100 likes in the first 24 hours, I'll relace them with the white and shoot a separate on foot, bro. Gatorade green 6s with the white laces. You know what I mean? Only if we get 100 in the first 24 hours, but back to this, back to the mission at hand.
I got too much sauce, yo, made that bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, watch that boy cook, hey, I got too much sauce, made that bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, I got too much sauce, made your bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook. I got too much sauce, yeah, they want it in a jar. Come out of kitty, nigga, get that bitch some CPR. Foundation solid, this some shit that they can't break apart. I gave the game to my youngest, we gon' take it far. I rap a little bit for the mob, but I'm off in the cut. I'm trolling trolls in my comment box, fuck 'em, bro. 5K on the mall, hoe used to curve me, bro. I bought both of them Gatorade, cause these bitches thirsty. I'm selling souls and buying straps if a nigga talk dirty. Big facts, I quit telling lies, cold turkey. North crack, still tap the eyes before I serve. His face cracked, the feast of
Slight little adjustments here and there to try to add some symmetry to the madness, you know what I mean? A little bit of organized chaos. That's all loose lacing is. A few little tweaks here and there. Nothing too serious, but we rocking, bro. Got my lace lock hanging to the side, real dope like. We ain't gonna do nothing more than that list, bro. So yeah, man, let's go outside and get some of that sunlight. I probably won't check back in after the on foot section. So man, I hope y'all have a real dope year. Hope y'all year starting off strong, man. We're gonna keep rocking. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And shout out to my OGs, day ones, and new subscribers, man. Love that love, bro. Y'all showing the channel love. We about to take this shit over. Mob, from my family to yours, bro. Enjoy them visuals.
Vibe, you eating girl. I got too much sauce, yo, made that bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, watch that boy cook, hey, I got too much sauce, made that bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook, I got too much sauce, made your bitch look, drop it in the pot, hey, let that boy cook. This shit real life, I can't make it up. Shit ain't on TV, this shit ain't in a book. This ain't magazine, my youngin' got magazines. Keep it real with my niggas, I be selling dreams. Keep it real with a nigga, I ain't for the scheme. Get it out the mud, don't want your blood in my jeans. Shout out Long Drive, still reppin' Long Drive. I'm a tired boy, I know they won't survive. It's only one way out that bitch and somehow I'm alive. I just wanna put us on the map before I fly. Notice I said fly, I could never die. Bitch, I'm DaveyMcFlyy, the line before we too wise. I got too much sauce, yo, made that bitch look. Drop it in the pot, ayy, watch that boy cook. Hey, I got too much sauce, made that bitch look. Drop it in the pot, ayy, let that boy cook. Drop it in the pot, ayy, let that boy cook. Drop it in the pot, ayy, let that boy cook. I got too much sauce, made your bitch look. Drop it in the pot, ayy, let that boy cook.